What's going on, guys? Derek from Legendary here, giving you a quick update. We added a social planner feature in Legendary Leads. This should be live now. Currently, you can connect your Facebook pages as well as Google My Business. Next month, we should have Instagram, and then we'll be working on LinkedIn and hopefully Twitter. So this is going to be a growing project. Basically, it's going to be a place you can post to all of your social accounts from one central hub. And you can also schedule posts. So super excited about this. Basically, this is live now. If you want to check this out, you can go to the marketing tab and social planner. And all you do is log in to Facebook and Google My Business. When you connect your Facebook, if you have multiple pages, I recommend during the connection, just leave them all connected because then after that, you'll select them individually. So don't worry about it. It's not going to post to all of those. But you can later change pages and stuff like that. So keep it select all, and then after that screen, you'll be able to individually select which pages you'd like to post to. So I selected 3 Facebook pages here, as well as 2 Google My Business profiles, and now I could go ahead and post across those accounts or just individually to one at a time. So super excited for this to roll out. Again, this is a brand new feature, and we'll be adding additional social media accounts here shortly. I'm going to just do a demo here for the social planner. So I'm going to post this image here to these profiles. I'll go ahead and post it across 4 of my channels and write up a quick post here. I'm going to speed this part up so you guys don't have to watch me type, but then after that I'll post so you guys can see it. Alright, so I selected a call to action button as well, and you can see I have 5 connected socials, 4 total posts, and 4 posts today. So I posted on these channels here. Again, I didn't select this one just for this demo. And you can see they've all been published, 2 on Facebook for those pages and 2 on my GMB. Super excited to roll out the additional socials, Instagram and LinkedIn. Those ones will be huge, and we'll probably add Twitter in the future as well. Would love some feedback on this, what you guys are seeing out there, how this is working to help grow your engagement across these channels. So if you have anything to share, drop a comment below. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. That being said, catch you on the next one. Super excited to get this into your hands and help you scale across all of your social media channels.